Okay, and welcome back to the ring series, I guess this is. So I've made a black granite looking ring. I made a blue and yellow swirl ring. I made a pink and blue ring for my boy, and now my daughter wants one. So I got a nice lighter piece of wood here. We're just gonna quickly make up a dam for it. I'm just gonna put one across the bottom, maybe two, just to try contain any leaks. I've taken the liberty to mix up some resin here. So we don't need much. We might need to add a little extra, but we're not going to be coloring this resin. This is actually going to stay a clear resin, but we are adding a special secret ingredient. Sprinkles. Now I don't know if this will work, last, or whatnot, but it'll be cute. We're just gonna mix in a bunch of sprinkles there. It's actually pretty close to the consistency I want. I want the sprinkles floating in it. I don't want it just overpowering it. Now we're just gonna dump that on in. So we're going to let that set up a little bit, and then we'll check it out when it's cured. Okay, so that's coming along good. We're almost, well, we are down to thickness pretty much here. I just need to even that out. So let's keep on going. Okay, that's pretty good. It's getting pretty close to what we want. I think we're going to start working up the grits now. So we're gonna wet this down just to sort of see what it's looking like. Looking pretty cool. We'll have to clean up and polish the inside. We're gonna go down to a 600 grit here. Okay, let's take a look at what that's looking like. That's not bad. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more on top there. Okay, so let's pop that up. We're actually just going to put a quick coat of resin on top of this, so we're going to finger paint this on pretty much. So slather it. And this is self-leveling, so I know that's sort of silly on this, but it should flow smooth, and we'll come back and check it out once that's all cured up. What's that, Angel? People should like and subscribe? Okay, well, let's get to the results. Here, after the coating, is what we've got. Nice light nice grain pattern. So it looks good. And let's take a look at what it looks like on the outside. That is truly funky. Have a great day.